still think bananas are nothing special, it's because you haven't tried this recipe. Start with about 10 to 15 green bananas, or as we call them in my country, guineos. Put them in a pot with enough water and a teaspoon of salt. These bad boys are going to cook until they're nice and soft. Over here, I've got a heart-shaped chicken breast. Yep, I gave it all my love and we're going to shred it really fine. Now back to the bananas. Take them off the heat and let them rest like a post-lunch siesta. In a pan over medium heat, add a good splash of oil. Toss in half a finely diced onion, a chili or bell pepper, your choice, and 3 garlic cloves. Let that brown a bit and start mixing it up. Now add 2 ripe tomatoes, diced small, and a teaspoon each of salt, oregano, and paprika, chef style. Give it a good stir to blend all those flavors together. See how everything's starting to get colorful? This is when we add half a cup of tomato sauce for that final touch. Now the shredded chicken comes back into play. We mix it all well and let it cook a bit more to absorb all those flavors. Now we add a little water, just a couple tablespoons, and let it simmer for a few more minutes. This is already looking amazing. Okay, back to the plantains. We mash them with a potato masher, adding a tablespoon of butter. They should become a smooth, delicious paste. We let them rest for just a bit, about 5 minutes, so they're not too hot. We sift 500 grams of wheat flour and add color with a sprinkle of curry, paprika, and fresh black pepper. For soaking, we use the leftover chicken broth to use everything and add extra flavor to this batter. This is the perfect consistency we're looking for. Place the plantain dough on a plastic bag to prevent sticking. Shape it as desired. Add a generous portion of shredded chicken or meat on top, arranged neatly, and sprinkle some grated cheese. Who doesn't love cheese, right? Dip the patacones in batter, coat them well, and shake off excess. Fry them in hot oil until golden brown. Let them fry until crispy, then place on paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve with pico de gallo for a meal of the year. If you try this recipe, don't forget to rate it from 1 to 5. This is truly a delicious treat.